everybody has a personal login, like a username and a password. So don't share yours with others, and don't ask for others login details too. And also ඔයා login වෙලා ඔයා meeting link එකයි ඒ passcode එකේ ටික ගන්න, but kindly keep it to yourself, right? There's a reason why the LMS is up there. එතකොට from May onwards you will be directly using the LMS. Summoning, whenever you introduce a new tool, at the beginning you're not very used to it නේ. ඔයගොල්ලන් මුලදී හුරු නෑ ඒක, right? ඒක හින්දා මැයි මාස විතරක් ඔයගලන්ට LMS login එකත් එක්කම WhatsApp එකට personally එයි meeting link එක passcode එක මැයි මාස විතරක්, just so that like you have time to get used to it. But ඔක්කොම class notes worksheets ඔක්කොම LMS එකේ තමයි upload කරන්නේ. So ඒක phone එකෙන් from your laptop or desktop or whatever, from any device you can access. Okay. ඒකත් මම පස්සේ දෙන්නම්. ඒ කියන්නේ පස්සේ demonstration එක කරන්න. Let's first just get this over with. ඒ කියන්නේ අපේ lesson එක. Did I share with you all last week's whiteboard note? Yes, I have shared. No, I shared it today. Okay. පොඩ්ඩක් මට whiteboard note එක refer කරන්න ඕනේ. හරි, Newton's second law. කතා කරලා අපි we have talked about F equals ma. We have done some questions. We have discussed Newton's third law. Okay, and also practical instances, mass and weight. That is where we have finished. Okay, that's great. Then today we have to talk about mass and weight, of course. I will explain it again. No problem. ඔයගොල්ලන් පාඩම් කරාද මම? Did you all study the first and third lessons? Give me a thumbs up if you studied the first lesson and the third lesson. Others? Can I the පාඩම් කරේ? Okay. Maria, Shweta, පාඩම් කරලා. Chalukya, පාඩම් කරලා. That's it? What about others? Alia, Dihansa, Gitmi, Joshua, did you all study? Kushit, Jevindu, Neja, Sandaru, Sasheli, did you all study? And Savidu, Shanaz, Shweta, thumbs up එකක් දුන්නනේ. ඔයගලන් quizzes වලට attendance නොවී තියෙන බෑ. Okay. quizzes වලට attendance නැතුව තියෙන්න බෑ. ඒතකොට attendance එකත් එක්කම තමයි මම කපන්නේ ලකුණු. Please take this seriously. This is for your own sake. Nathang, I could just do the class, do some worksheet, discuss the worksheet, and just call it the end. But එහෙම කරන්නේ නැත්තේ ඊට වඩා දෙයක් කරන්න ඕනේ හින්දා ඔයගලන්ට. Right? I know that when we are now at the fourth lesson, I know that you have forgotten the first lesson. I know you've forgotten the second lesson and the third lesson. That is why I'm introducing like all these different things, just so that you're always updated, you're always in the loop, and your memory is always refreshed. නැත්තම් first lesson එක කරා, worksheet එක කරා, second එක කරා, third එක කරා, fourth එක කරා, කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. But එහෙම කරාට වැඩක් නැහැ. ඒකේ මට ටීචර් කෙනෙක් විදිහට කිසිම satisfaction එකක් නැහැ, because මගේ හිත ඇතුලේ මම දන්නවා ඔයගලන්ට අමතක වෙලා තියෙන කියලා. And ඔයගලන්ට වැඩකුත් නැහැ. හරි, you learn so many new things. You are covering the syllabus fast, but you don't remember past lessons. Current lessons mataka නැත්නම් there is really no point in covering the syllabus as soon as possible. Because කරපුවා මතක නැතුව අලුත් දේවල් ඉගෙනගෙන වැඩක් නැහැ. Okay? So always keep that in mind. Please take this seriously. This we are doing for your own sake. right? For you to make sure that you are always studying. මේ වගේ අපි පොඩ පොඩ මේ විදිහට කරන් ගියාම just before the term test වල කලින් දවසේ රෑ ඔයගලන්ට නිකන් අර මොනවාද කරලා වගේ like process වෙලා වගේ පාඩම් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Because හැමලේම පොඩ පොඩ revise වෙවි තියෙන. Okay? So ඒකින්ද මේක serious අරන් මම කිව්වම පාඩම් කරන් එන්න. Okay? Hari. Mass and weight I will explain again. What is the equation we learnt in Newton's second law? What is the equation we learnt in Newton's second law?
F equals M.
F equals ma. Yes, we learnt F equals ma. Now I'm going to yes. මම class එකේ respond කරන විදිහත් බලනවා ළමයි ආ.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, Asheli.
Can you explain once again what is that at symbol kind of thing?
Yes. Proportional like ne? Okay.
Yes.
So acceleration is directly proportional to force. Acceleration වැඩි වෙනකොට force වැඩි වෙනවා. Acceleration අඩු වෙනකොට force අඩු වෙනවා. That means they are both working in the same way. Right? That is, this sign is proportional sign. Right? So A proportional F කියලා කියන්නේ directly proportional කියන එක. In maths also you are learning about proportional in a bit. I can't remember which lesson it is. But anyhow මෙහෙම දානවා කියලා කියන්නේ acceleration වැඩි වෙනකොට force වැඩි වෙනකොට acceleration වැඩි. Force අඩු වෙනකොට acceleration අඩුයි. They both change in the same way. මෙහෙම දානවා කියන්නේ this we call it inversely proportional. Mass වැඩි වෙනකොට acceleration අඩු වෙනවා. Mass අඩු වෙනකොට acceleration වැඩි වෙනවා. They have opposite effects. Right? So this is directly proportional. මෙයා කොහොමත් proportional sign එක එකමයි. මේ විදිහට ලිව්වොත් directly proportional, මේ විදිහට ලිව්වොත් inversely proportional. But actually මේක exam එකට ලොකුවට අහන්නේ නැහැ. Like sign එක එහෙම ලොකුවට දැනගන්න ඕන නැහැ. All you need to know is F equals ma, the equation. Okay, so Shelly. Okay. Now, talking about F equals ma. Okay. So we are, let's talk about ourselves. We are just standing somewhere. Right? මට කිසිම වෙන force එකක් නැහැ. මම නිකම්ම හිටගෙන ඉන්නෝහේ. මට force එකක් නැද්ද අතට? Is there no force acting on me? If I'm just standing, is there any force that is acting on me? What is it? Correct. Weight or gravitational force. Gravity කියන answer ගන්න පුළුවන්, but gravity is just ඒ කියන්නේ මුළු process එකටම කියන නම gravity. හැබැයි force එක කිව්වම you have to specifically say gravitational force. Gravitational force වලටම කියන තව නමක් තමයි weight. Okay? So when we are talking about gravity වලදී මම මේ equation එක පොඩ්ඩක් modify කරා. Here when I'm just standing, what is the force acting on me? That is weight. ඒකින්ද මෙතන මම force වෙනුවට ලියනවා weight කියලා. Equals my mass doesn't change. So mass ම තමයි. So when I'm just standing, do I have an acceleration? I have a force, that is gravitational force or weight. Do I have an acceleration? When I'm just standing, do I have an acceleration? ළමයි force එකක් තියනවා කියන්නේ අනිවාර්යෙන් acceleration එකක් තියෙනවා. I actually have an acceleration downwards, which is gravitational acceleration. Then why am I not accelerating? මට දැන් acceleration එකක් තියෙනවා. I'm accelerating downwards, but you can't see me move downwards. Why is that? Because of the flow. මගේ මේ මෙතන බිම පොළව තියෙනවානේ. පොළව හින්දා මාව පල්ලෙහාට යන්නේ නැහැ. එතනින් බ්ලොක් වෙලානේ තියෙන්නේ. මෙතන flow එක තිබුණ නැත්නම් I would be falling down, right? If I jump from the balcony, I would be falling down. Okay, so always remember, even if you're just resting, even if you're just sleeping, you are always accelerating downwards. හැබැයි අර එක එක objects පොළව, flow එක, bed එක, chair එක මොන හරි හින්දා අපිව block වෙනවා. But we are always being accelerated downwards. Is that clear, ළමයි? So gravity වලට modify කරලා අපි හදපු equation එක තමයි W equals mg. Sashali, is it clear? අපි ළමයි exercise 4.1 වල we did the second question, no? Yes. Okay, then we did mass and weight. Okay. Put a subtopic, momentum. Momentum. Topic එක දාගන්න ළමයි. Excuse me. Okay. Now, let's say you're walking near your playground, school playground, right? And school playground, okay, sports, volleyball, I don't know, basketball, or like, okay, sports play karanone, maybe tennis court along your tennis. Muka khare wage like monahari sport එක play කරනවා. Let's say for an example, you're walking near a ground where there's a bunch of children playing cricket. And for some unfortunate reason, the ball is coming towards you. Then batsman bat karar pase ball aage පැත්තට එනවා. Let's say ඔයා මේ බෝල අල්ල ගන්නවා කියලා. Right? Let's say this ball is coming very slowly towards you. Will it be easy for you to catch the ball? If that yes. But if it's coming very fast, it will be difficult for you to catch it. So momentum ගැන මම දැනට explain කරන්නේ නැහැ. දැනට let's start by discussing some like a real life example. ඔන්න දැන් අපි කතා කරන්නේ මේ බෝලේ ගැන, cricket or some මොකක් හරි බෝලයක්. Right? ඔන්න there are two balls. මෙයාගේ mass එක let's say 2 kilograms. මෙයාගේ mass එක 6 kilograms. මෙයා ඔයාගේ පැත්තට එනවා. 2 kilogram ball is coming towards you at a velocity of 20 meters per second. 6 kilogram ball is also coming towards you with the same velocity, 20 ms minus 1. Now you have to catch the ball. In this particular example, which ball will it be difficult for you to catch? මොකද්ද අල්ලගන්න අමාරු වෙන්නේ?
6 kilogram.
මම 6 එක චුට්ට වෙනස් කරලා 10 කියලා. but doesn't really matter. But yeah. Others, what do you think? Yeah.
10.
Okay. So definitely the 10 kilogram ball, which is the ball B, will be a little more difficult to catch. They are both coming at you with the same velocity, so it's nothing about the velocity. It's about the mass. Because A is quite light, it's only 2 kg, kallaganathama lazy. But imagine a 10 kilogram ball being thrown towards you, that will be difficult to catch. Itana make a tennis ball make a like iron ball obviously B will be more difficult to catch. එතකොට මෙතනදී how easy or how difficult for you to catch a ball or stop the motion of the ball depends on the mass. Right? Because velocity is the same. So whether it will be easy for you to stop the motion of the catch can you are stopping the ball ne? So whether it will be easy for you to stop the motion of the ball or whether it will be difficult for you to stop the motion of the ball, that depends on the mass in this particular instance, right? Now how do we end it? Let's take another example. Now here, we have a 5 kg ball here and I have another 5 kg ball. This is P, this is Q. This is coming towards you at a velocity of 10 ms minus 1. Well, let's say 45 ms minus 1. This is coming towards you at a velocity of 10 ms minus 1. Which ball will it be difficult for you to catch?
The 5 kilogram at 45 ms minus 1.
That means P. Oh, okay. Others? Good. P will be more difficult for you to catch. Why? Because they both have the same mass. So it's not about the mass in this particular case. Q is quite slow. It's only 10 ms minus 1. It's a slow ball. Lazy. But let's say 45 ms minus 1, it's quite fast. So then it will be a little more difficult for you to catch it. Right? So here, how easy or how difficult for you to stop the motion of the ball depends on velocity. Because here the mass is the same, no? What is different? Velocity is different. Is this clear to you, Lamai? Is this clear? Hari. Ehang momentum kiyanne okama tamai. Momentum kiyanne how easy or how difficult will it be for you to stop the motion of an object. Then බලන්න මෙතන ගත්තොත් එහෙම if you take this first instance, A has a mass of 2 kg and it was coming towards you with 20 ms minus 1. B had a mass of 10 kg and it was coming towards you with the same velocity 20 ms minus 1. And we decided that B will be too difficult to catch or to stop the motion of, right? මොකද A වල mass එක පොඩි B වල mass එක වැඩි. එතකොට B ව stop කරන්න අමාරුයි, right? ඒ කියන්නේ එයාගේ momentum වැඩි. Because momentum is how difficult it would be for you to stop the motion of an object. මෙයාවනේ stop කරන්න අමාරු. එහෙනම් අපි කියනවා B ගේ momentum වැඩි. ඒව stop කරන්න ලේසියිනේ. එහෙනම් අපි කියනවා ඒගේ momentum අඩුයි කියලා. Okay. So momentum is how easy or difficult would it be for you to stop the motion of an object. If you take the second instance, we said Q would be easy to stop because it's coming at you with a slower velocity. එයාව stop කරන ලේසි නේ කියන අපි කියනවා එයාගේ momentum අඩුයි. But P will be a little difficult because same mass but the velocity is much higher. Since it will be more difficult, එයාගේ momentum වැඩි. So this is exactly what momentum is. Since momentum, now here we understood that momentum depends on mass and momentum also depends on velocity. But mass වැඩි නම් momentum වැඩි. Velocity වැඩි නම් momentum වැඩි. එහෙනම් we have an equation like this. Momentum equals mass multiplied by velocity. Momentum වල symbol එක ළමයි simple P. Simple P. Don't put capital P. Capital P දැම්මොත් it's wrong. Because capital P is the symbol of pressure. Right? So don't put capital P, it's simple P. P equals mass can M, velocity can V. So this is the equation. This is the equation. Is this clear to you, Lamai? Okay. So if we look at the unit of momentum, හොඳට බලන්න. Momentum කියලා කියන්නේ mass into velocity, right? What is the SI unit of mass? What is the SI unit of mass? What is the SI unit of mass? kg. Then mass multiplied by velocity. Now, what is the SI unit of velocity? ms minus 1. එහෙනම් momentum වල unit එක kg ms minus 1. ළමයි, in the O-level paper, most of the time the first question is about units. And there are students who even get that first question wrong. That is not acceptable. පළවෙනි question එක දෙන්නේ ඕන කෙනෙක්ට ලකුණු ගන්න පුළුවන් විදියට. ඒකගෙම ගිහලා වරද්දන්න බෑ. ඒකින්ද please familiarize yourself with the units. That's very important. kg ms minus 1 is a unit of momentum. Is that clear, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear. Right. You put the topic, no? Podakina. Let's write a small sentence. Mataka Maliana. Have to give me a second, please. Hi, make a math. Momentum of a moving object Okay, you can start writing. Quickly write, Lamai. What is this, Asheli?
No.
Okay.
Miss, I have a small connection problem.
Yes,
We
Shanaz.
must copy this.
Sorry?
We must copy this or what?
Yeah, we have to copy this. We have to write this. Were you listening to the explanation part?
Yes, miss.
All right. Then just copy this. Momentum topic එක දාම and then write this.
Miss, can you scroll a bit down? A bit more.
I'll scroll a little down. I'll give you 2 minutes to finish. Huh? Quickly write. Because we have to do a few questions as well. ඊට පස්සේ මේක කරලා and then තව in mass and weight I think we did a few questions but I want to try a few more. We'll see. We have to do friction, we have to do the quiz. Yeah, we have a full day today. So make it fast.
Done, Lamai? Shall we move on? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's try a question. I'll let you try a question alone. Okay, so Q1 kila dala liya mo. My question ek type karam lang. If you need more time, you can take more time to write. But make it fast, huh? Okay. Find the momentum of an object of mass 2.5 kg moving at a velocity of 50 ms minus 1. Quickly find the answer. 2 minutes. Huh? I'm getting answers for others. 1 more minute.
Recording in progress.
Okay, Lamai. So before we do anything, you have to write the equation. Equivalent pulang, you can just use words and write the equation or use symbols, right? Momentum is simple P, not capital P. So P equals mass into velocity. Mass in this particular case is 2.5 kg. Excuse me. Velocity is 50 ms minus 1. So, 2.5, 50, enter me 0 to 25 times 5. That would be 125 kg ms minus 1. I saw that you all have given the answer in the chat box as well. Very good. Huh? Okay, let's jump to a few questions. Can you all move to exercise 4.1? Api directly questions karamu lama ya. Examples tava karakarindo na. Let's do questions, and from the questions we'll discuss. Etor example karawage thamai. Make he okkuma karando na. Let me tell you which questions that I want you all to do. Api karamu balanna. Let's do question number 2. And let's do question number 4. I'll give you like 4 to 5 minutes. Can you make it fast? Exercise 4.2, which is on page 94, Lama, yeah? On page 94, do the second question and the, what is the other one? Fourth one, yes. How do you convert grams to kilograms? Just remember 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. That's the only hint that I will give you. Try to do. Done, lamai? Give me a thumbs up if you have finished. Others?
Done, miss.
Okay, then I want you all to do one more question. Give me a second, lamai, please.
Miss, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir, I asked you all to give me a second. Okay, now all good. Okay, second one. The mass of an object is 600 grams. Find its momentum when it is moving at a velocity of 5 ms minus 1. So we know momentum is mass into velocity. So mass is 600 grams and we know we want it in kilograms. So 600 we divide by 1000. Then we get it in kilograms. Velocity is 5 ms minus 1. We shall see. May zeros de kata, may zeros de kapanava. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So we get, if I say 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. So we get 3 kg ms minus 1. Did you all get this, Samay? Okay. Then fourth one, the momentum of a moving object is the momentum dila. Mass also they have given and they ask you to find velocity. Momentum equals mass into velocity. Momentum is 6 kg ms minus 1. For which one, Maria? For the second one?
Teacher, I've accidentally done the first one.
Even for the first one, you have to kilograms. So that is, yes, 4,000. That is 4,000, yes. Ekahari dagan, it's okay. Momentum is 6 kg ms minus 1. Mass is 500 grams. We know 500 grams you have to divide by 1000. So 500 you divide by 1000. Velocity we don't know. That is what we have to find. Then velocity me patte tiyala. One second, Samindu. 6 is here. Then metana pita may 0 to may 0 cancel karana pula. Right? So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So this 2 I bring to this side. Then it becomes multiplication. So 6 times 2 is 12. 12 ms minus 1. So velocity is 12 ms minus 1. Second, 3000 in Savindu because now they have given mass in grams. You don't keep mass in grams. You have to convert it to kilograms. So then you have to divide it by 1000. Divide kare nothing, you get that. But we have to divide. Is that clear, Savindu?
Miss, you are getting stuck.
One second.
Miss, you were lagging. We couldn't hear you.
1 second. Lama, can you all hear me now? You can hear me well, no? It's not lagging, right? Okay. So did you all understand the second and fourth questions, Lamai? All right. Shall we quickly move to, let's do one more question before we move to the quiz. Go to the overall exercise of the lesson. Did we do anything from the miscellaneous exercise, Lamai? Did we do any question? $3,000 grams. එහෙමත් පුළුවන්. එකමත් නෑ. That's okay, Savindu. You can can 605 ගෙන් multiply කරාම 3000 එනවා. 1000 වලින් divide කරාම you get 3. Anyhow, the final answer should be 3 kg minus 1. හරි. Okay, miscellaneous exercise එකට යන්න ළමයි. I have a very important question. මම මේකට ටිකක් වැඩිපුර වෙලාව දෙන්නම්. I have two important questions. What should we do? Hurry, let's do the 10th one because 10th I want to discuss during the class. That's why. Miscellaneous exercise 10th question that's on page 96. Quickly do this. While you do this, give me like 2 minutes. I will be away from the laptop, but I will be back and I will switch on the camera. Page 96, miscellaneous exercise, 10th question. Okay? Quickly do. Okay, some of you all have finished it already, but I know this is a little bit of a difficult question, so I will give you like 2 to 3 more minutes. Huh? One more minute, Lamai. Done, Lamai? Give me a thumbs up if you have finished. Okay. So let's discuss this and let's quickly move to the poll. Sorry, the quiz. The weight of an object is 5 newtons. Weight of an object is 5 newtons. Then make a good information. So what I'm going to do is query note down. They are saying weight is 10 newtons. Weight equals 10 newtons. At a certain instance, its momentum is 6 kg ms minus 1. Momentum is 6 kg ms minus 1. Due to a force, 5 newtons, yes. This is 6. Due to a force applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, let's say you're moving to north. But or south pattern force what happens is speed let's say you're accelerating and you're moving very fast towards north. And a part of south pattern, north pattern force speed but move in a pattern opposite pattern or force speed so due to a force applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, velocity of the object is decreased to 4 ms minus 1. It's decrease to 4 ms minus 1. A initial velocity copy done.
Teacher, can you explain that part again, please?
Yes. So that means now let's say you're moving to the north direction. Drive let's say drive move a foot bicycle. A foot bicycle north direction. Push bicycle north push karana. Ethru water yanna lazy neda. Ethru speed if let's say you're moving to a certain direction, if you get an additional force to the same direction, your velocity increases, right? Do you understand that? Do you understand that, Lamai?
Yes.
Yes. But let's say you're moving to the north direction, curve will opposite path south path force move velocity opposite force so initially velocity we don't know that. But because of the force applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, opposite force velocity so what is the final velocity of this object 4 ms minus 1? What is the total time taken? 4 seconds. They are asking the force. I'm going to approach this question the same way you would do. But I want to show you how you could approach this question. They're asking the force, no? Force force equation you know force equation F equals ma. So they're asking us force, no problem. But to find force, we need mass and we also need acceleration. Now that is a problem. Okay. Let's move a little bit to this side. Here we have weight. What is the equation we have learned that uses weight? Weight the equation
F.
What is the equation we have used that includes weight? W equals mg. Very good. Weight, weight is W. W equals mg equation then weight weight they have given, so we have weight. Mass they have not given, so we don't know. Gravitational acceleration do we know? Gravitational acceleration, do we know? Are you sure that we don't know? Yes, we know this already in the second lesson. We learned that gravitational acceleration is always 10 ms minus 2. එක අපිට දීලා නැහැ question එකේ, but we know from previous experience, right? Now බලන්න, weight we know 5 newtons, gravitational acceleration we know, මේකෙන් අපිට mass එක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? See? So let's see. Weight is 5 newtons. Mass we don't know. Gravitational acceleration we learned that it's 10 ms minus 2. Mass for මේ පැත්තේ තියලා මේ 10 එක මම අනිත් පැත්තට ගෙනිච්චාම division වෙනවා. So mass equals 5 divided by 10. 5 divided by 10 means 0.5. So we get mass as 0.5 kilograms. Is that clear? Give me a thumbs up. හරි. ඔන්න අපි mass දානවා. Right, we know mass. එහෙනම් ඔන්න F equals ma වල mass එක අපි දන්නවා. Good. Mass එක අපි දන්නවා. දැන් කොහමද acceleration හොයාගත්තා නම් අපිට force හොයන්න පුළුවන්. ඇයි මම මේ equation එක base එක විදිහට use කරන් තියන්නේ? Because at the end they're asking us the force. And how do we find force? Using F equals ma. For that, we did not have information about mass and acceleration at the beginning. But now we know the mass. දැන් අපි කොහොමයි acceleration තමයි හොයාගන්න ඕනේ. හරි, අපි බලමු දැන් පොඩ්ඩක් අපි information වලට ගිහිල්ලා. Okay. Look at this one. Momentum දීලා තියෙනවා. What is the equation of momentum? What is the equation of momentum? Others, what is the equation of momentum? P equals mv. P is simple P, huh? P equals mv. බලන්න momentum අපිට දීලා තියෙනවා. Mass එක අපි දැන් මෙතනින් දන්නවා. එහෙනම් අපිට velocity හොයන්න පුළුවන්. මේ velocity එක තමයි මෙතන initial velocity එක. The velocity that we didn't know. Okay, good. Let's see. Momentum is 6 kg ms minus 1. Mass we found here 0.5 kg. Velocity we don't know. I'll just put v. Now to find velocity, what I have to do is this 0.5, I have to move to this side. So 6, division වෙනවා. So velocity equals 6 divided by 0.5. When we are doing division, we never keep a decimal number as the denominator. To remove the decimal, I multiply this by 10. I may have a 10 වලින් multiply කරාම මේක මේ පිටිපස්සට යනවනේ එකක්. But if I'm doing anything to the denominator, I have to do the same to the numerator. If I multiply the denominator by 10, I have to multiply the numerator also by 10. So we get V equals 60 divided by 5. Therefore, V equals 12 ms minus 1. Is that clear, Lamai? Is that clear? Okay. Now, this velocity is our initial velocity, right? ඒ වෙලේ momentum එකනේ. මේ momentum එක ඉඳලා ඊට පස්සේ force එකක් ආපු හින්දානේ ආගේ velocity අඩු උනේ. So we know the final velocity, that is 4 ms minus 1. Now, thankfully, we know the initial velocity because here we found that it's 12 ms minus 1. එහෙනම් දැන් අපි දන්නවා initial velocity is 12 ms minus 1. We have initial velocity, we have final velocity, we have time. මේ තුන දැන් අපි ගාව තියෙනවා. Information. We have initial velocity, we have final velocity, we have time. See here, we need acceleration. Is there an equation connecting acceleration, initial velocity, final velocity, time, all of these? Yes, what is it? What is that? Correct. Acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Now, acceleration is what we don't know. So, ma'am, acceleration A kila tiyanna. Final velocity, I know 4 ms minus 1. Initial velocity, now I know 12 ms minus 1. Time is 4 seconds. 4 minus 12 means minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 4. So, therefore, acceleration is minus 2 ms minus 2. Did you understand that? Okay. Now we don't stop here. Baan mein question kuch lokui thikela me pori. They have only given 1, 2, 3 sentences. 3 sentences do not apne mara loku working ka karana thiyane. There's a lot to do. We don't stop there because they are at the end they're asking us the force. Now look at this. May F equals ma kenaka mama pallaheng liyanna. F equals ma. This is our ultimate equation. Force ne ahanne අපි ඉන්නේ force තමයි දන්නේ. Mass මෙතනින් දන්නවා, acceleration මෙතනින් දන්නවා. Now we are capable of finding the answer. Mass here we got 0.5 kg. Acceleration here we got minus 2 ms minus 2. So 0.5 multiplied by 2 is 1. Minus 1 newtons. Minus 1 newtons kiyanne. In a vector, what is the meaning of minus? I have told you this. When you have a vector quantity, what is the meaning of minus? Correct. Opposite direction කියන එක. When you get force is minus 1 newtons, that means force is 1 newtons in opposite direction. හරිනේ කොහොමද ඒගොල්ලෝ අපිට කියලා තියෙනවනේ උඩ question එකේ. Due to a force applied in the direction opposite. එතකොට හරි. So you have the answer as 1 newtons. Is that clear? Okay, great. Since this is a bit of a longer question, I'll give you 2 minutes for recorrections and then we are moving to the poll, to the quiz. Make it fast. Okay, Shanaz, why are you leaving the class? Next, we are doing the quiz, Lamaya. Oh, okay, I'll send the recording. Okay. ඔයගන්ට copy කරගන්න වෙලාව ඔයගන්ට මීට වඩා වෙලා වෙනවා නම් quickly take a screenshot or I will send the whiteboard note right after the class today for sure. Last week මට වෙලාවට එවන්න බැරි වුණා but this week I'll send right after the class. Okay. Now be ready for the quiz. ටටගාල questions යනවා. ඒකෙන් ඉක්මනට කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට වෙන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. There are some questions. එක එක questions එක එක විදියට තියෙනවා, right? සමහර questions වලට you have to select the right answer MCQ විදියට යනවා. Samhara questions wala you have to write the answer. So if you are on your computer, you can just type the answer. Mama vata galapena vidara velawa denna. If you're on your phone, you can of course type the answer again, right? Ethara samhara wala godak kiwa tiyenne answer ka type karanna. So be ready for that. Others you have to pick the right answer. Everybody ready? Give me a thumbs up. All good?
Miss, can you say that again, please?
Yes. So in the quiz, you will be getting question by question. Some questions you have to pick the right answer like an MCQ question. Hari answer click karan thiyen, choose karan thiyen. In some other questions, ඔයාලා කරන් තියෙන හරි answer එක type කරන්න. computer එකේ නම් type කරන්න, phone එකේ type කරන්න. කොහොමද type කරන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට type කරන් තියෙන questions ටිකක් වැඩි මට මතක විදිහට ඒවට ලෑස්ති වෙන්න. Let's start, no? One second. එක එක questions වල එක එක වෙලාවල් මම දෙන්නේ මොකද එක එක questions එක එක විදියයිනේ. ඉන්න පොඩ්ඩක්. මේක හරියට show one question at a time. No, ඕගලන්ට one second. There are 20 questions. I think I will have to give you a common time for the entire thing. Let's see. Okay, you can start doing the questions. Can you all see the questions on the on your screen? Give me a thumbs up if you can see. No?
Miss, I can't.
You can't see?
Do we have to click on that poll thing? Like a,
screen එකේ එන්න එපා ඉන්න.
yes, I can see like a little button pop up.
ඒක click කරන්න බලන්න. ඒක click කරන්න බලන්න.
It takes me there.
අනිතාත් බලන්න කොහමද සශලි තිබ්බේ?
It looks like a little bit of like drafting. කෑලි හතරක් වගේ poll එක.
යටනේ ළමයි පල්ලෙහා තියෙනවා polls/quizzes කියලා පොඩි නිකන් bars වගේ තියෙන පොඩි icon එක click කරන්න බලන්න. click කරාම questions ටික එන්න ඕනේ. තාම පේන්නේ නැති කවුරු ඉන්නවද? vent කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඉන්න මං ආයෙමත් දාලා බලන්න. හරි ඉන්න ළමයි I will ඔන්න දැන් යන්න නැති පොඩකින් මම ආයෙමත් මේක දාන්න. Okay. Now can all of you see? පේන්නේ නැති කට්ටිය පල්ලෙහා quizzes polls/quizzes කියන icon එක click කරලා you can Anybody who cannot see now? Who can see? Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, that is because question එක ඔයගලන්ට එන්නේ. ඔයගලන් එක question එකක answer එක type කරාට පස්සේ ඊළඟ question එක එනවා. You are getting question by question. හරිද හැමෝටම? කාටට issue එකක් තියෙනවද තාම? issue එකක් තියෙනවද කියන්න. because ඔයගලන්ගේ marks මම බලනවා ඒකයි.
Miss, I can't find the quiz.
You are not getting it on the screen.
Yeah.
You have do you have like this graph like icon at the bottom of Zoom?
No, Miss.
අර more කියන එක click කරාම still you are not getting one?
Miss, is it poll and quizzes?
Yes, that's the one. Yes.
Ah, okay.
Click on that and see. Maria, you also try that?
Okay, Miss.
You got it, no? Joshua, did you get it? Ah, right. Others also have gotten it. Okay, okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. मैं आपे first experience again, so it's okay. ඔහොම තමයි අපිට technical issues එනවා. ළමයි, please keep in mind that whether you are using Zoom web app or you are using the mobile app, always keep it updated. හැමලම update කරලා තියාගන්න. I'm pretty sure you are going to other online classes too. So it's important to update these apps because there are so many nice tools that we can use. This is one such tool. සටගා කරන්න මම ඔයගලන්ගේ ඉවරද කියලා අහන්නේ නැහැ. I will just finish it. You have time till 9:10. 9:10 වෙනකම් වෙලාව තියෙනවා. ඔය කරන අතර මට එක්කෙනෙක් අහුවට කියන්න ඔයගලන්ට question by question නේ දෙන්නේ quiz එකේ. Yeah, okay. All good. Okay, keep doing. පොත බලන්න එපා. Be honest to yourself, please. ළමයි, there are 20 questions, 20. Maybe the questions පහක් ඉවර කරලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. You should be in like 6 7 8 වගේ. මම 9 10 pm කියලා කිව්වට එච්චර වෙලාව යන්නෙත් නෑ ඇත්තටම. If you studied you wouldn't take that long, but anyways we'll see. Now you should have finished the up to fifth question. Sandaru, you have to click on that pause icon. පල්ලෙහා තියෙනවා pause කියලා icon එක. ඒක click කරන්න බලන්න, then you will be able to see. ඔයගොල්ලන් disconnect වෙන්න එපා. disconnect වුණොත් එහෙම මේ මුල එකම ආයෙ මුල ඉඳන් කරන්න නම් මං හිතන්නේ. One of you have completed the quiz, huh? All 20 questions. Very good. මං හිතන්නේ නම් එච්චර වෙලාව ඕන වෙන එකක් නැහැ. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන් question 8 9 වගේ ඉන්න ඕනේ. Quickly do. ළමයි ඔයගලන්ට chemical symbols එහෙම දාන්න තියෙදි දැන් you know for an example sodium carbon එන Na2CO3 නේ. එහෙම කියලා 2 එක යටින් චූටියට ඔයගලන්ට ලියන්න බෑනේ. ඒ වගේම නිකන් 2 කියලා දාන්න. එහෙම තියනවා නම්. Just okay, 3 of you have completed the quiz, huh? Out of 17. මමත් මේ මගේ phone එකෙන් join වෙලා බැලුවා just to see if it's working. So out of 17, I mean out of 16. Four of you, no. 3 of you have completed. දැන් මේ වෙද්දී ඔයගොල්ලන් question number 12 වගේ ඉන්න ඕනේ. Five of you have finished the quiz. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන් 15 16 වගේ ඉන්න ඕනේ. Question number 15 16 වගේ ඉන්න ඕනේ දැන්. 9 10 වෙනකම්ම කරන්න නැත්නම් I will probably finish at I'll give you like 4 more minutes. Again time ඔක්කොම හදන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන් පාඩම් කරා කියලා assume කරලා. So පාඩම් කරේ නැත්නම් තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට වෙලාව යන්නේ. Okay? So ඒකට කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. Sashal, you won't get the marks yet. I will let you all know about the marks. 6 of you have finished. Good. 7 of you have finished. Eight of you have finished. Quickly, Lamai. I'll give you 3 more minutes. 9 of you have finished. Ten of you have finished. Hi, Kinna. We have 3 more minutes. Twelve of you have finished. We have 2 more minutes. 13 of you have finished. I'll give you 1 more minute and I'll end the poll and the quiz. දැන් මොනා හරි දාලා මේ සබ්මිට් කරන්න. මම තා විනාඩියක්වත් නැහැ. I will be ending the poll. Ending the quiz. So මොනා හරි දාලා ටක් ගාලා සබ්මිට් කරන්න. නැත්තම් කරපු ටිකත් ලකුණු නැති වෙනවා. බට එතකොට මරියා කරපු ටික ආමත් ඔයා කියනවා කරපු ටික හැමම සේව් වෙනවා මං හිතන්නේ. I just checked from my phone ඒක auto save වෙනවා. එහෙම වුනේ නැද්ද ඔයාගේ? Yeah, I'll give you the marks. I'll send the marks. But අනිත් ටික හරියද මරියා? So there's like 2 of you who have not submitted yet. Did you submit now, Maria?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. තව කවුද submit කරේ නැත්තේ ළමයි? I will be ending, huh? You have to click submit. There's a button called submit, no? Click submit. එම click කරේ නැත්තම් ටක් ගාලා ගිහලා click කරන්න. මම ටක් ගාලා මේක end කරනවා. There's one more who have not completed. Who's that? Let me know in the chat box. I will be ending, huh? Sash, follow quizzes කියන බටන් එක ක්ලික් කරන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලට ආයෙමත් ඒකටම යනවා. Quickly. 2 of you have to submit. But that is because Maria, now you have submit කරාට පස්සේ ආයෙ කරද්දී ආයෙ මුලින්දා යනවා. But මැදදී connection issue එකක් හින්දා disconnect වෙලා වගේ ආයෙ එද්දි නම් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට auto save වෙනවා. Okay, I will be ending, huh? බලමු කොහොමද ඔයගොල්ලන් කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. I've gotten different answers. Name of an amphoteric oxide.
Miss,
Yes, who joined by the name
excuse me.
Nisha? Yes.
Miss, this is Shana's because my phone got off, so I joined with my mother's phone. I
Right.
did the quiz and I submitted.
Right. Okay. We'll
It's okay,
see.
right?
Yeah, it's okay. If you submitted, it's okay. There's a tiny bit of an issue, it seems like. 1 second.
විච්චෙනවා. එතෙන්ද?
Okay ළමයි. මං ඕගලන්ට පස්සේ කියන්නම් මේකේ අමාකින් ස්කීම් එකක් මම ඔයගලන්ට එවලා තියන්නම්. Anyways, we'll go back. We'll go back to the lesson. We'll start a little bit of friction. I was wondering, we don't have much time to start friction. Friction is anyways a one-day lesson. Did I send you the note of the 6th lesson, ළමයි? අර cell lesson එකේ note එක මම ඔයගලන්ට එවලා තියෙන්නේ.
6th lesson?
6th lesson, yes. Have I sent you the note? The PDF?
No.
No, okay. මම ඔයගලන්ට LMS එක චුට්ටක් කියලා දෙන්නම්. Give me a second. I think I have a login somewhere. Can't find it. Okay. Give me a second, ළමයි. ඕගලන්ට යන්න තියෙන්නේ let me find exactly the link for this. Hi, I will share you my screen. One second. අපි මට අගල මේක පෙන්නලා ඊට පස්සේ we will see what we can do next. Can all of you see my screen? Others, can you all see my screen? Okay. No? Okay, okay. හරි. මේකේ මම මේ URL එක මේ link එක උගන්ට ඉවන්නම්. So when you click on that link, you get this, right? I suppose everybody has gotten their username. Username එක තමයි අපි මෙතනට දාන්නේ. And then your password, you put it here. And then you sign in. Okay? එතකොට, one second. This is a wrong one. Can somebody send me your username and password from the personal chat? මට කවටක් කළ වෙනවද ඒක? Because මගේ එකෙන් ඉන්නේ මේ වෙන එකක්. Common එකේ වන්න එපා මට personally වන්න ටක් ගාලා. Because when I'm joining, I'm getting something else entirely. Okay, I got one.
Do we have to log in?
Sorry?
Do we have to log in like in Google? Do we have to log in to this in Google?
Yes, you have to log in using Google.
So like there's no connection to Zoom, right?
No connection to Zoom කියන්නේ Zoom ඒ කියන්නේ link එක click කරාම you can it will open in the Zoom app. Okay? හරි පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. මෙහෙම තමයි සාමාන්‍ය technical issues චුට්ටක් එනවා. I'm just trying to
Means we're getting stuck.
yes, 1 second. Can you all hear me now?
No, miss.
Can't you?
Yes.
Okay. මට මේක නම් ආවා but unfortunately හරි okay. හරි so බලමු මට කවුද login details එවලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay. You will still not be able to see my screen moving because I paused it for a second. Just a second. මට WhatsApp වලුත් කට්ටිය වලනේ. Thank you so much. Okay, right. So මම එක student details වලින් join වෙන්නම්. I will use Stephanie ගේ එක මම use කරන්නම් මොකද ඒක මට මුලින්ම ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන හින්දා. So username එකයි password එකයි දැම්මහම you are signed in. මේකේ මේ payment pen එක නම් තාම update කරලා නැහැ. I know that Stefan you have paid for April but it's not updated here. ඒක update කරයි Miss Divya, so don't worry about that. But anyways, this is how your dashboard looks. So මෙතන timetable එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. Timetable එකට ගියාම ඒ දවසේ තියෙන classes මෙන්න මෙතන වැටෙනවා. Right? So මේක අර payment pending කියලා වැටෙන හින්දා තාම classes පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. But still when you log in, dashboard එකෙත් කෙලිම මෙතන එනවා class එක. Right? Classes and the details and all of that මේකේ කෙලිම පෙන්නනවා. ඊට පස්සේ timetable එක තියෙන තැනත් ඔයා calendar එක click කරාම again you will be able to see the meeting link, the username and the passcode, right? And if you click on the e-library, e-library එකෙන් අපේ යන්නේ there's a different section called different section with worksheets, past papers, notes එහෙම කියලා වෙනම section එකකට යනවා. ඒතර ඒකේ තමයි notes කියන එකට click කරාම you can see all the notes. However, due to a certain technical issue මේක මම පොඩක් මේ check කරලා බලන්න. මට මෙතන demonstration එකේ පෙන්වන්න බෑ but I will probably do like a separate recording. මම පොඩක් separate නිකන් වීඩියෝ එකක් record කරලා phone එකෙන් හරි ඔයගලන්ට එවලා තියන්නම්. මොකද මම දැන් දෙන්නෙක් එකකින් join වුණා but it showed like that. However, you can use it. මම මේක test කරලා බලුවා මගේ එකකින් ඒක වැඩ කරනවා. LMS is working. පොඩි details වගේක් update කරන්න විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. Right? එතකොට your attendance will be tracked. All your notes will be uploaded there. So you have to log in there and download your notes. Meeting link හැම week එකේම අලුත් link එකක් තියෙනවා. So කලින් week එකේ link එකෙන් join වෙන්න බෑ. The reason why I did that is because මේ Tuesday class එකට it's the same link. it has been the same link since your class started. But it's a problem because මේ link එක හැමතැනම circulate වෙලා සමහරවිට random ළමයි join වෙනවා. Right? And එහෙම join වෙන එක නෙමෙයි ප්‍රශ්න, but I have no context who's joining, කවුරු join වෙනවද, and this is virtual media, right? So we don't know what will happen and කවුරු join වෙලා මොන පිස්සුවක් කරයිද කියලා අපි දන්නේ නැහැනේ. So I want to take precautions for that as well. Therefore, a new link will be generated every week, right? අනිත් එක තමයි regarding your fees payments, every month before 10th you have to settle your fees, right? Pending fees මොන හරි තියෙනවා නම් ඒව ඔක්කොම